Are you tired of the same situations playing out in your life over and over again? Like the repeat button is held down. Inside each of us, there are feelings, beliefs, and memories that shape how we see the world. Really, the external world is a mirror reflecting those feelings, beliefs, and patterns back to us. If we look back at the past, no matter the time frame, we'll see similar things happening again and again in certain areas, like our health, money, or relationships. These patterns are messages, telling us there's something we need to deal with. Now, we can have good patterns and bad patterns. We're trying to end the ones that sabotage us, replacing them with more constructive patterns. Sometimes we might think our problems come from outside, like other people or bad luck. But the truth is, we're a big part of these patterns. It's not just about fixing things on the outside. In fact, that's part of the problem. We look everywhere, but inside, it's about looking within ourselves. External events may have helped imprint the patterns into our psyches, but once we become aware of them, we're responsible for stopping them and choosing a different, more successful pattern. So, this first step is awareness. But this awareness, this knowing is just the beginning. If you'd like to learn how to use the mirror technique to break those old patterns, watch this video here.